Okay, as I promised, the e-bike's brake disc lock with alarm. World class, 5 stars of glory. Yeah, let's see. Has the lock keys and the wire you can use to attach the bike on something. And let's see what's on the package. Manual, the wire, okay, and batteries, yeah, and keys, and the actual lock. There's some kind of tool with it. Let's see. Yeah, has a tool to probably for the batteries. Okay, let's see. I'll put the batteries. Okay, looks like this. Batteries go here. Not too complicated. Let's see, let's put the batteries. Oh, there's already batteries. What the hell? Look, there's already batteries. So, what does it mean? I have extra batteries. Oh, muy bueno. Well, we opened it. Let's put it back together. Okay, came inside because the camera was overheating. Let's see a bit more closely. You have a super waterproof, whatever that means. 110 decibel alarm. 6mm lock pin. I think it's something about. Oh, scheiße. Yeah, loud. You push it down and it alarm goes on, I guess, or arms it, I guess. And it has movement and shock sensor, so if it moves or shock, I guess. And this goes somehow here, like this maybe. And your bike can be on some metal pole or something, I don't know. So, extra batteries, hex key to open the battery casing, 2 keys, manual with really small print, and on the package you have good explanations on the sounds. Says that when you arm it takes 5 seconds and then it will be on, and if you vibrate it, the bike or lock, the lock will give do or something, 3 sounds, and when it's again within 5 seconds, then it will start alarm and keep the alarm on for 10 seconds. Yeah, and it will take 5 seconds to open the lock for the owner, whatever. So yeah, it takes, you have 5 seconds to open it, I guess. And if it can't be opened, it will give alarm, and you need to use the key, of course. And then it will start the sounds, making different sound when the battery is low. And do we test it here? I don't know, the dog won't like it, but we have the key. We have the key, we have the lock. I'll try it again on my bike when I go. But for now, let's test it. Let's put it like something like this, so it's easy to open. Let's, okay. 5 seconds. Makes another noise. No. Okay. So I think it's armed. Let's see. Nothing. Nothing. Okay, that's the 3 beeps. But you can move it quite a lot. Look. Let's see how it's on the bike, but it's like a... Oh shit, that's bad. Whew. The sound is bad. The dog didn't mind. Yeah. Okay. So it's like that, but like the shock. On the other one, it was like a movement too, like a shaking. Maybe it has some kind of same kind of sensor. But we need to see it when I attach it on the bike outside. Yeah. Okay. And it's, like I said, it's a bit like the one I showed you, but totally different size. Look, this is the one I'm using. Weights about 10%, 20%, no, around there. And yeah, this goes in your pocket easy. Same thing, you press. Okay, it's already a bit, no, yeah, now it's locked on the brake. Then you have the keys. Here, you find it how it goes, because this is like a round. It goes like this. You turn, press little turn, it opens. You can use this on this. And this one game, I think, with never used it. Has the same kind of thing for the smaller one. But maybe thinner. Yeah. So, which one of these? Take both. This is a bit heavy. I measured just now while the camera was cooling. 250 grams around. This 50. So 20%. Goes in the pocket easy wherever you go. This one may be too heavy for a pocket. It's a bit too heavy. But if you have a bag, you put this one in, and you have combined the alarm and the lock. Yeah. The sounds are bad. Okay. You put it like this. I think it's armed. Let's see, I have the key now because I hate the sound. And okay, that was the warning and the alarm. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's it. Let's try it on the bike. Let's see. How easy it is to be put somewhere. Here, I guess. Of course. Oh, no. Yeah, no, it's there. Okay. Yeah, you can see it. Let's see. If you move it a bit. Okay. Really. Where are the keys? Little movement did it. Yeah, works too well, maybe.
Okay. Shit.
So, what do I think before actual tests? Just testing like quickly. Sound is quite bad in a good way, yeah, and it's really doesn't need much movement. So I'm afraid that if I leave the bike outside, somebody just touches it a bit and it goes off. But we'll see. The other alarm, you can change the sensitivity. So wind blowing doesn't do anything. But this was like, here you needed to give it the pop, but there on the brake, only little movement, tiny movement, and it went off. So it works. Yeah. No, we'll see in the future how much I use it. Yeah. Alarm and lock in one. You decide what is good for you. See you again on next video.